You put stripes on your little Geo Metro. I'm surprised there's not much people out on Christmas Eve, or not Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve. To be honest, I did expect to be like a lot more dangerous drivers and people out here more often, but no, I guess not. Alright, that reminds me. So, should you put 91 octane on all of your motorcycles? Don't get so close. The answer is no. You don't need to. Not all of them, at least. It really depends on the bike. Now, I'm gonna go very mechanical on everyone on this. So basically, the only time we do need to put high octane on a motorcycle is depending on the compression ratio. The compression ratio, okay, so here's the top of the engine, here's the pistons. It basically goes like this, right? Basically, that gap is the compression, how much compression it has. The more compression you need, the more compression it has, the higher octane you need. For example, this bike has a 12 compression ratio. That is a very high compression ratio, which needs 91 octane. Now, not all bikes needs 91 octane. Like, if you have like a little enduro bike, usually they have like 8 compression ratio, you know, 85. You don't need 8, you can use the 89 octane, which just works perfectly fine. So you may be asking, okay, so what if I use a low octane on a high compression engine? Well, what will happen is that you'll have fuel ignition. I forgot what it's called, but basically something ignition. Basically, it's when the fuel will ignite before the piston hits top TDC or top dead center, which it should be exploded at. So basically, if you have early combustion or early ignition, basically that could cause some serious damage to the engine. It can either damage the pistons. You have an engine failure from that easily. That could happen. Now you're asking, okay, so what else? So use like 91 octane when a vehicle has more than, I'll say, 10 compression or higher at least. And if it's more than 10 compression, or 10 to 1, 10 to 0 compression, anywhere that says 10 or up, then it's best to use 91 octane. If it has less than that, you can just go with 89. And no, if you have a low compression car or engine, it's best not to use 91 octane because 1, it's really not doing anything. 2, you're just making your engine work harder. Yes. How am I asked? Because 91, the higher the octane, the slower it burns, the harder it burns. So if you have a really weak engine with low compression, it's best to use a lower octane. Because sometimes if you put like 91 octane on a car or any vehicle that has, I don't know, like a 6 to 1 compression ratio, that's really low. But let's just say, basically that engine is going to work harder than it needs to be because it's trying to ignite all that fuel into the engine. So there engine will work better, be easier to work on if it has an 89 compression ratio. So what is this guy doing? This guy's like drunk or something. Okay. So it's always best to use on a lower compression engine 89 octane or something, whatever really. Don't go with 85. No, 85 is really bad gas. Anyways, so that answers your question. Should all vehicles, all motorcycles, whatever, to use 91 octane? Oh my god, I hate those. Like, just put it where on the tail light. God, I hate that so much. You can see it, yeah, but it's on the bumper. It's not on the tail light, we just look for it easily. It's easier to see like that. It was on the tail light. Anyways. So yeah, that answers all your questions. Let's go review real quick. 1. Have a high compression engine, use a higher compression ratio. If you have a high compression engine with lower octane rating, or octane, with a lower octane, you can suffer from I forgot what it's called, early diagnostic or whatever it's called. I forgot what it's called. Basically, they can damage, they can have some severe engine failure, which can happen. If you use a low compression engine with a higher octane, your engine will just work harder because it's trying to burn up the octane, which the 91 octane burns slow. So yeah, I hope that answers your questions. Hope you all like this video.